guys, my name's Anne.
And I'm Caitlin.
And today we're going to show you how to loft your bed when you're first moving in. So this is our modular bed frame. It has 11 rungs on the wooden frame. Currently, it's sitting on the 3rd rung, which is about 3 feet off the ground. The maximum height is what we'll loft it to today, and that'll allow you about 57 inches of space from the frame to the floor. And then width-wise, it's about 80 inches long. For this, you guys are going to need to have a mallet. If you don't have one of your own, you can go to your local area desk and they'll be able to provide you one. So first, we're going to take off the bed rail and the mattress. And now we're going to unhook these with the mallet. Awesome. And now we're going to go ahead and hammer these pieces back in. And we're going to go ahead and put our mattress and our bed rail back on. All right, happy moving and go Tigers.